Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video I'm going to reveal step by step how to make money with the Easy1Up program in 2021. So if you're on this video right now, that probably means you're doing a little bit of research on Easy1Up. You're, trying to, decide whether or not this is for you. And of course, when you do decide to get in, you're of course wondering, how do I actually make money with this specific program? So I'm going to break down all that for you. I'm going to break down exactly what you get with Easy1Up, exactly what you are of course getting for what you decide to invest in. And of course, I will also reveal how to make money with this opportunity right here, right? So I've also got some really cool bonuses that I want to share with you a little bit later on this video that I feel are going to help you get results with this program a lot faster and just much better for the long term, right? So if you're interested in my additional help, then be sure to, of course, stick around towards the end because I'll be going over exactly what that's all about right there, right? But let's go ahead and let's get right into it. So what exactly is Easy1Up and what is it all about? What do they have to offer? And what are you getting for your money that you decide to invest in this program? Well, Easy1Up is an e-learning platform that provides courses, training and mentorship on how to grow and scale an online business, right? So they have training videos in here about network marketing, affiliate marketing. You have videos about how to build your empire of affiliate business, for example. You've got videos about building an email follow-up series, how to set up an autoresponder. You have videos about YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Pinterest marketing, videos just about on every social media platform that you could pretty much imagine. And by the way, they're always adding more videos in here as time progresses, right? So what you see here on the page, there might be a lot more by the time that you're watching this video that have been, of course, added inside. But as you can see right here, you've got videos about social media marketing. You have videos about doing solo ads, how to do Google Hangouts, host your own, how to have your own website or blog. And they've got tons of different training videos in here showing you different ways on how to drive traffic, how to follow up, how to grow your email list, how to, of course, create an irresistible offer, how to, set up your business, to, of course, profit long term. They also have a lot of great mindset training in here as well. So that's, of course, also very important as well. And as you can see, this program is, of course, packed with information on how to grow and scale your internet business, right? So I'll even show you inside real quick here. So when you, of course, decide to pick up one of the product packages, you'll, of course, get access to the videos, and they're presented, just like this. So for example, if you want to learn about, lead generation, right? This is, by the way, this is inside of the Vertex Live package in here. This is the highest package that they have inside of Easy1Up. So that's this package right here. And so you could basically go in here and you could learn about any one of these things right here, right? So lead generation webinar, videos about, 40 minutes, as you can see right here. And of course, this is a brand new video that they just recently added that you could, of course, learn from exactly what they're teaching right here, right? So that's pretty much how Easy1Up works in terms of the product packages. And so basically, the product packages here range anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000, right? So the lowest package is $25. The highest package is $2,000. So there's a good range to get in, regardless of what your budget is, there is a place where anyone and everyone can, of course, get in the program, right? So whether you are starting out, on a very small budget and you want to, of course, get up and running, if you have just, $25 to invest in this, you can get started here. Otherwise, if you are someone that really wants to go all in and you want to, of course, get access to everything, have everything at front for just one fee, then of course you could decide to come in at the very highest package and then of course get access to this product and all the other products at no additional cost. And that brings me to exactly where I recommend, of course, getting started with this program, right? So if you're on this video right now and if you have not already joined Easy1Up, there is going to be a link below this video. There's actually going to be two links below this video. One is going to lead you to Easy1Up, and then another link is going to lead you to my #1 recommended system that I use to promote this exact program, which I'll of course get into a little bit later in this video, right? So when you visit the link to Easy1Up down below this video and you just, of course, decide to, of course, get signed up, you could join simply by purchasing any of the product packages right here. Now, all these product packages are one-time payments, so you pay for it one time, you have access to it for life, there's no monthly fees, and you get access to that product package and everything else below it at no additional cost. Now, here is what I recommend that you do if you're someone that really wants to earn the big dollars with this program. Of course, maybe, this might be a bit of a stretch, but I always recommend coming in at the highest level that you could afford, right? And the reason why I recommend this is because long term, if you want to really be positioned to earn that product package, then of course you want to have that product package activated, right? So when you buy any of the product packages that are inside of here, not only do you gain access to the training that's inside, but you also gain access to the resale rights for that specific program, right? So for example, if you buy Vertex Pro at $1,000, just a side note, each product package has a admin fee. So for example, Vertex Pro, it is a $100 admin fee that you pay for this one. You get access to this specific training right here and all the other ones below it at no additional cost, and you of course get the resale rights to of course earn on this product package, right? So when you of course promote the program, and if someone decides to buy the Vertex Pro package, that is $1,000 that you earn pretty much right there, as the commission, right? So for that reason, you want to get positioned as high up as soon as possible, and this way, not only are you saving money in the long term, but you're also positioned long term for the high ticket commissions, right? So if you are able to do so right away, I highly recommend coming in at the Vertex Live level. That's a one-time investment of $2,000 plus a $500 admin fee, and when you make that investment, you have access to everything in the Easy1Up program for life, and you are eligible to earn commissions up to $2,000 for one single sale. So think about this for a minute, right? If you want to make a full-time income online, and let's say that your target is $3,000 a month, right? You want to make a full-time income, so $3,000 a month is like a good full-time income for you. You would only need 2 sales of this program to hit that income goal, or to surpass it, right? Maybe 1 sale at Vertex Live and 1 at Vertex Pro, and then you're pretty much good for the month, right? So for that reason, it definitely makes sense to, of course, get positioned as high up as soon as possible, right? So that being said, I want to, of course, get into exactly how to market this specific program. And before I do so, I want to first and foremost show you a little bit of proof that, of concept here, that this program is working very well, and there's tons of members, myself included, that are doing very well with it. Now, of course, without saying the specific number or amount that I've earned with this program, because Easy1Up is, of course, getting a bit strict in terms of saying specific numbers or showing specific numbers right here. As you can see right here, I'm currently on the leaderboard for this specific program. You can see that I am number 6 of the earners in the last 30 days. This is under the Vertex Elite product package, but I think if we go to like another one, like Elevation Elite, we hit View Top Earners, you'll see that I am also in here as well, right? So I'm doing pretty well with the program. Same with a lot of other newbie affiliates as well that are doing very well. And also, I could even mention, like a couple of sales that I've had, right? So I've had 2 Vertex Pro sales. I've had about 2 Vertex Elite sales, 2 Vertex sales, 2 Elevation sales, and I had 1 sale at the Elevation level that just recently came in. So if you do the math right there, you of course add that all up, they're all 100% commissions, then that should pretty much give you an idea in terms of what I made. So use your imagination, try and add that up, and then that'll of course give you a good idea in terms of what I made with this specific program, right? But I want to show you real quick one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of new affiliate marketers make when they decide to promote a specific program online, right? So what most people will do is they will go to their links section in the program, and they will simply just promote the sales page and just hope that someone will buy right then and there on the front end, right? This is a very horrible idea, and same goes for promoting any of the capture pages, any of the generic pages that Easy1Up gives you. It's a very bad idea to promote any of these outdated looking pages, because these just aren't the best for the long term. They're just not converting that great, and it's just not really the way that you want to go, right? So by promoting these specific pages right here, there isn't really that much you could do. You don't look too unique, and you look kind of the same as thousands and thousands and thousands of other affiliates that are going to be promoting this as well, right? So what you want to do is you, of course, want to stand out by having a marketing system that is, of course, converting very well, right? So basically what that consists of is, let me see if this will load up again. Basically what that consists of is you have a lead capture page designed to capture someone's email address, right? So if someone goes here, they enter their name and email right here. they get taken to the next step in the funnel where they, of course, check out the sales video that explains how the program works, how to get up and running, and of course, it has a call to action where they could simply buy the program. And when they click this button down here and they buy the program, that is where you make the commission, right? Now the question is, how do you build this up, and how do you build this if you're brand new, right? Well, the good news is you don't have to build any of this yourself. Instead of what you could do is you could plug into a system that's already pre-built for you, already proven, and you can simply leverage a system that's already working. Now in my case, the system that I use is called Multiple Income Funnel. This is a very simple 4-step system that you could access simply by clicking the first link down below, and that will take you to the video that explains how this entire system works, right? But as you can see right here, one of the income streams inside is a program by the name of Easy1Up, the same one that I'm, of course, showing you right here. And there's also 3 other income streams inside of here they could earn from as well, right? So the nice thing is that with this specific program, not only are you able to use it to earn commissions from Easy1Up, but you could also use it to earn commissions from 3 other income streams as well. Technically 5 other ones if you count the 2 bonus income streams that are up here, right? So the question is, how exactly do you use a system to market Easy1Up? Well, basically what you do is you go to your links tab up here. Of course, before doing that, you want to go through the 4 steps that are laid out to, of course, get the entire system, up and running. And the videos pretty much explain how to get it set up. You just want to watch them in order to, of course, set up the system. And once you have it set up, you can simply go to the links tab up here, where you can simply get your promotional links, right? So with this system, you have pre-built capture pages that you don't have to build yourself. You have a very high converting sales video that does a phenomenal job at getting people to pull out their credit card and buy the program right away. And then, of course, you have ebook funnels, and there's most likely going to be other, funnels in here by the time that you're watching this video. So I know that they are working on other ones right now at the time that I'm filming this, right? So there's probably going to be a whole bunch of other ones later on that you could simply use as well. And basically what you want to do is you just want to promote your capture page links, right? So you want to get eyeballs to any of your capture page links right here. And whenever someone decides to go here and they opt into the funnel, the video, the sales video right here, is going to do all the selling and telling for you. And if they don't buy right then and there, they're going to have the follow-up emails that go out on your behalf, getting them back on the video. And if they buy, let's say, a week or 2 days or a month down the road, you're still going to get credit for that exact sale because you brought in the lead, right? So once they get inside the program and they see, okay, well, I don't know why it logged me out real quick. Hold on. But once they get inside the program and they see, okay, well, I'm going to need to, of course, go through these 4 steps to get it set up, they will be presented with the upsells for these exact other income streams right here. And when they, of course, decide to sign up to Easy1Up and they buy the program, that is, of course, how you, of course, earn commissions from that, from this program right here, as well as the other income streams that are inside, right? So when you have it set up like this and you're promoting Easy1Up this way, it's much easier to, of course, get those consistent sales online. It's much easier to, of course, hit the leaderboard, is when you have a system that's proven like this one, that is, of course, helping tons of newbie affiliate marketers to, of course, get on the leaderboard, right? So you could see here, Sarah Diederoff just recently started affiliate marketing like last month, and she's already on the leaderboard. You have Gary Halsey, which also is brand new. You have, I think Catherine's brand new as well, and tons of other newbies as well that are doing phenomenally well. In fact, this Jeffrey Mitchell guy only got started with affiliate marketing like 3 or 4 months ago, and already he's the #1 earner in this program within the last 30 days, right? So as you can see, it is absolutely possible to, of course, do well with this program, even if you're someone who's brand new, as long as you have a proven system like this one that will, of course, help you do all the selling and selling for you. Now, that being said, when you decide to partner up with me with this specific program right here, the Multiple Income Funnel, either you join this program or you decide to join Easy1Up standalone, I've got some really cool bonuses for you that will really help you maximize your earnings much faster and just get better results in general for the long term, right? Now, the very first bonus that you're going to get access to from myself is you're going to get access to my exclusive training that shows you how to get up and running, how to get in the right mindset, and of course, I show you things like how to, create your own funnels, how to do email marketing, but the most important of all is I show you a very newbie-friendly way to get lots of high-quality traffic for free and very fast, right? This is known as my Traffic Jumpstart Training, and I created this myself. These are my own videos that I put in here where I show you step by step how to get lots of high quality traffic. Spoiler alert, it's TikTok, but TikTok is a very great traffic source to use to get lots of high quality traffic for free and very fast as well if you're brand new to online marketing, right? So tons of newbies are doing well with this platform right here, and a lot of people that are on this leaderboard, as I just shown you right here, are using this exact traffic source that I'm showing you in this training right here, right? So you could definitely apply this to this specific program, and not just this program, but any other program, any other affiliate program that you decide to join down the road. You could apply this training to pretty much anything that you want to promote online, right? Phenomenal traffic source, works very well, and just very great for the long term. Now, as for my other bonus that I want to offer you, and this is something I just recently started offering, this is only going to be for a very limited time, is I am doing one-on-one coaching calls with my brand new members, right? So when you decide to partner with me, I really want it to ensure that you have the maximum support possible to really ensure that you actually get results with this program. And what I've decided to do is offer you one-on-one support, one-on-one coaching to, of course, help you maximize your results with not just Easy1Up, but also the multiple income funnel system and pretty much anything else that you might want to use, down the road, right? So what we'll do is we'll get on a one-on-one coaching call, just like this, where you can speak to me face-to-face on a Zoom call. And you'll be able to, of course, ask me any sort of questions you have. And also, we will create a custom plan to help you get up and running and really maximize your results online with affiliate marketing, right? So if you see an opportunity for yourself, if you are like, man, I really want to get on board with this, I really want to, of course, get on the leaderboard, I really want to make consistent income online. If you're someone that wants to create a full-time income online within the next year, then go ahead, click the first link down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.